If you've ever wanted to download Instagram Reels quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to save Instagram Reel videos using Telegram. By the end of this video, you'll be able to download your favorite Reels straight to your device, so you can watch or share them anytime without the hassle. Let's jump right into it. So first things first. Open your Telegram app on your phone or computer. If you're new to Telegram, don't worry, this part is really simple. Just tap or click to open it up. Telegram is one of the most secure messaging platforms out there, and not only does it let you chat, it's also home to tons of amazing channels that share content like music, memes, and yes, Instagram Reels. Once you're inside Telegram, you'll see the search bar right at the top. This is your gateway to finding almost anything on the platform. Go ahead and click or tap on the search bar and type in Instagram Reels video. I know that sounds almost too easy, but Telegram has a whole community of channels dedicated to curating fun and viral Reels from Instagram. Wait a moment as the results load. Don't worry if there are lots of options, that's normal. Now look through the results and pick a channel that's clearly sharing Instagram Reels. You might see channels with lots of subscribers or one that catches your eye with fresh content. Take your time here. Choosing a good channel means you're likely getting the latest, most interesting videos. Click on the channel to open it up and you'll see a feed of Instagram Reels videos ready for you to view and download. When you find a reel that you want to save, hover your mouse over it, or if you're on your phone, press and hold. On desktop, you'll want to right-click on the video itself. A small menu will pop up. You're looking for the option that says Save As. This is a super handy feature of Telegram because it lets you download media directly to your device. Sometimes this part might take a few moments, especially if the video is on the longer side or your internet connection is a bit slow. Just be patient, it's worth the wait. Next up, Telegram will ask you to choose a name for your video and pick where you'd like to save it. This might seem trivial, but naming your file something descriptive, like Funny Catch Reel instead of just video MP4, will make it so much easier to find later, especially if you download a bunch of Reels. Select your preferred folder, maybe your downloads or a special Instagram Reels folder, and click Save. In just a few seconds, the video will be downloaded and ready for you to use. That's all there is to it. Just a few easy steps, and you've got your favorite Instagram Reels saved right to your device thanks to Telegram. Whether you want to watch them offline, save them for inspiration, or share them with friends, this method really streamlines the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Have any questions or run into any issues? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love helping out, so I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.